Hi, I'm Helen. Have you ever been curious about how you can start your own bookkeeping business? And you can work just 10 to 15 hours per week, and that's part-time, and you can be doing bookkeeping for roofing companies and roofing contractors, and it's an excellent opportunity. I have done it for the last 25 years. I'm going to share with you how you can start your own bookkeeping business, do bookkeeping for roofing contractors or roofing companies, either part-time or full-time, 10 to 15 hours per week. I'm going to share with you 3 powerful tips and reasons that you would want to specialize in bookkeeping, and specifically bookkeeping for roofing contracts. And this is a niche all on its own, so it's very simple. I'm going to show you exactly the steps, step by step, how you do this. Tip number 1, just know the roofing industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it's growing every day and every year. But the truth of it is 56% of roofing companies that open up will fail in 3 years. 90% fail in 5 years. And this isn't because they don't know how to roof. They are excellent craftsmanship and they do excellent work. It's just that they don't understand or know how to read their numbers. And this is exactly where you come in. You can learn how to do bookkeeping from home, whether you want to do it part-time or full-time. I've done it for the last 25 years. My own roofing company, I've worked remotely doing bookkeeping for roofers. I have a lot of knowledge to help you with this new business. It's a sought-out occupation and career that is needed and wanted in the marketplace. And that's very important, to be in a niche that is wanted and needed. That gives you an extra edge there. But you do have a gold mine in doing bookkeeping for roofing contractors and starting your own bookkeeping business, where you can earn anywhere from $6,000 to $12,000 working 10 to 15 hours a week and only having 4 to 6 roofing clients, just depending on what your goals are and what you want to put into it. You can design your own future. If you're loving this already and you want to find out what tools I have to help you get started with this bookkeeping, there is a link in the description, and it's totally free. It is a QuickBooks Online setup checklist that I have created especially for you. It will show you step by step how to set up a roofing client when you get your first client in QuickBooks Online. So it's very easy, just step by step. All you have to do is follow those steps. But it is a link in the description for that, so you can get to it very easily. And tip number 2, 1 client equal big income. So I've had so many people ask me, even my family, Helen, what kind of businesses are out there that are actually legitimate businesses? And there's so many scam people out there. So we're sorting through it, trying to find a legitimate business that you can start to earn your part-time or full-time income that you need to support yourself, your family, whatever the case may be with it. But in this industry, you can earn anywhere from $6,000 to $12,000 per month with roofing bookkeeping. If you don't want to make quite that amount of money, if you just want to make $1,000, $3,000, then you can also do that. Your strategy just would be a little bit different. You're going to look for some smaller roofing versus some larger roofing companies. But I like the fact that you can do it and comfortably, like you're not grinding, where you can have less than 10 roofing clients in your bookkeeping business, and it will give you a substantial income. So it is a gold mine for us, and it's much needed. A lot of roofers out there, they need a good bookkeeper, someone that is knowledgeable with QuickBooks Online and that is interested in their industry and that knows how the roofing business does work. We will be getting into all of that. The third tip is most bookkeepers don't know roofing, but it's very easy to learn. I've been around for a long time. So I know a lot of things about working with roofing contractors. A lot of bookkeepers, they're more tax focused, and roofing bookkeeping, we're not tax focused, though we go by tax laws. We are more profit focused. We want to help our roofing contractors earn higher profits on the roofing jobs that they're doing. We're tracking very simply their income, their expenses, reconciling their accounts, then sending them a summary of their jobs, what's going on with their jobs. We will pull a profit loss for them. All of that work is done once we put in all of our numbers. We just review the profit loss and we can meet with them. And then I usually meet with my contractors once a month and we go over their profit and loss. It is something that you can learn very simply and easy. It's just a step-by-step system. Here's your next step. Download the free resource that I have in the link, Books Online, set up for roofing contractors, and that will actually get you started. I hope this has helped you and that you can start today in creating your bookkeeping business and working in the niche of roofing and build your business from there. If you have any questions or comments, please do leave comments so that I know whatever your questions are and I can definitely answer those questions for you. I'm really excited so you can make a great income for your family. You can serve the roofers in our industry and they need a lot of help. So I do encourage you to look seriously into opening up your own bookkeeping business where you're serving roofing contracts. Please join our community at the Wealthy Roofing Community. It has roofers and it has bookkeepers. This is going to help you get your first client as well. Thank you, and I will see you next Friday.